Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang. Today we have another singer from Sri Lanka. He sings his own style, and his name is, what is his name? His name is Sandaru Sathsara. Sandaru Sathsara also like the singer which I have shown you in the last video, the rock style. The same, they are singing their own style, and their style is very nice. And I also want to sing like this. We need not to be a what is called perfect, but we have to trust in our own selves and believe in yourself, believe in ourselves, and do our own style. That's enough. See, this person's this now I'm going to show you in this video is a singer from Sandaru Sathsara from Sri Lanka. It is a version that is my life, is my life, is my life. Okay, come on, Sky, let us listen his song and let us watch his video. You will be very fond of. You will become his, I think, his fan after watching this. I also became like this, and once I saw his song in the YouTube, then I started watching all his videos. Okay, come on. And I thought we can watch together here, so I'm bringing this to you today. So I hope you will like it, and if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because I don't have a subscriber. Please support me to bring like this video from different videos from the different part of the world.
Listen a song for the broken hearted.
Listen to song from the
silent prayer for the faith departed. And I ain't gonna be just a face in the crowd. You're gonna hear my voice when I shout it out loud. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live, I live alive.
It's my
life, my heart is like an open
highway.
Like
It's
Frankie
like
said,
open highway, open for everyone.
my way. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life, it's now or never. But I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live, I live alive.
Very good, guys.
It's my life, my heart is like an open
Highway.
highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just want to live, I live alive. It's my life.
Wow, great, bro. Well done. I like your song. I love very much. So guys, how was the video? I hope you enjoyed the video and you like the video. If you like the video, comment me, and please subscribe to my channel. I don't have the subscriber and I need the support so that I can bring like this video from this channel and also from different channels from the part of the world, so that we can meet here. Okay, bye. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, your friend Hdsthanbang, and you're watching the Karbireactionvideos channel. If you are new in this channel, I welcome you and I invite you to like this video and subscribe this channel to be a part of this Karbireactionvideos family. And if you are my subscriber, I thank you for supporting this channel to grow and watching all my videos. And I hope you are fine and will keep supporting to grow this channel. Thank you so much. Yeah.